Hi everyone, I am Francine from Huawei Global Training Center. We are going to discuss about OpenStack. There are totally 10 sessions of this course. For now, let's see the first section of the history of OpenStack. OpenStack is a fully commandment to build the software on an open and cooperated way. The history of OpenStack started with an email in 2010 from Rackspace to designers at NASA, asking the whether Rackspace solutions for cloud storage might be something that could be integrated with NASA solutions for cloud virtualizations. Instead, each organization believing that we can do better, they simply integrated each other solutions for storage and virtualizations, taking the first step for the software stack of cloud applications needed. Since both organizations have a fundamental belief in the beliefs of open source, the snowball started rolling as the project became bigger and bigger. Fairly quickly, several Linux distributions added they supported, and these days just about all major distributions have some supporter of OpenStack. With 6-month release cycle, it's at the fairly fast-moving project, which continues receiving new features and capabilities. These days, OpenStack consists of an ever-growing list of project and software components. The Nova component, which provides computing service, quickly gives object storage service. Glance provides image service. Neutron for the networking service Keystone. It's for Identify. Slimeter provides data collection service. Cinder component provides block storage service, and Heat is used for service orchestration. This doesn't mean that you have to use all of them. A simple cloud in some cases consists of almost only a single component, but most often you combine at least a few of them. Naturally, there are some services that are usually used by some different components, for example, database storage and authentication data. OpenStack is governed by a non-profit foundation and its board of directors, a technical committee, and a user committee. The board of directors provides strategic and finance management, while the technical committee decides on the major high-level advanced technology decisions. Low-level technical issues are handled by each of different official project teams. There can be up to 12 and 4 golden members at any time, subject to board approval. Huawei is the first gold member in China. OpenStack Foundation gold members provide foundation and pledge strategic alignment to the OpenStack mission. Apart from the official project teams, anyone can start an OpenStack project if they have a clear idea of cloud application. It becomes a big enough success. It may eventually become an official OpenStack project. As this picture illustrated, the board of directors is made up of 8 members from each of 8 platinum sponsors. As we introduced at the beginning, OpenStack is developed and released around 6-month cycles. After the initial release, additional stable point release will be released in each release series. You can see Okata is the last release now, which is released on February 22 of 2017. Well, that's all for this section. Let's recap the main points. In this model, we introduced the history of OpenStack, different OpenStack organizations, and the newest release now. Thanks for your attending.